Why hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today we're doing Long Ago from Suzuki Viola Book 2, Tutorial and Playthrough. If you want the playthrough, use the chapter 2 below and skip ahead. Tutorial. So, Long Ago, this one is very similar to Book 1, except that we have a whole step lower transposition. So what that means is we start here, G3 instead of D0. Okay, so Book 1, Book 2, kind of a darker sound, right? So that in itself is fine, but the issue for me anyway, at least when I was a student, is the new finger position that we have on the D string. So we're gonna have regular 1, low 2, space 3, space 4, and that space 3, space 4 is really uncomfortable for me. Even today, it's not the best thing, you know. It's tricky to get that spacing there. So the difficulty with that is make sure that you're really keeping the 2 close to the 1, and the 4 has to match the open A string. There's more difficulty though. The real difficulty is the second half. We have an addition of a variation section, all right? So we got double the song to play now. Now, it looks like 1,000 notes. I know it looks very scary, but think about this. We have our regular pitches in our melody that we're playing, but the addition of open Gs. So all the extra notes are open Gs. So the extra 1,000 looking notes are pretty much open Gs. So we don't have to worry too much about it, okay? The real difficulty, though, is the bowing. So we have down, up, up. So I like to think of it as pull, push, push. I like to keep a sticky bow, constant weight, really get in there and do. So we're going to pull down, and then the push, push. Each one of those pushes is going to break the friction of our heavy bow and go gat, gat. Kind of gritty sounding. That's what we want, okay? We want that articulation. We need to learn to bark on viola, you know? So that's really the difficulty. So once we get that open string exercise, da, ah, ah, then we need to do some of the open string crossings. So maybe the first 2 measures, ghost your fingers on top, and then do the proper string crossings and bowing. So let's try that. Okay, and then you can do that for the whole song, but you can see the coordination that takes. So that's the true difficulty of this song, is really getting those bowings to work out and the string crossings proper. Now, once you get all that, we can add the fingers. Okay? Don't mind the gritty sound. We want that. At least I like it. Time for the playthrough. So, playthrough. We have moderato. We really want to think about the variation speed. Da-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum, as our, because we have the most notes there. So that's going to set our tempo for the start. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How'd you do? Let me know in the comments below. And like, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.